There is a sign that says, I love Kabukicho. Yeah, I can see why people love this area. So welcome to Shinjuku, or the Kabukicho area at night. Is it really the red light district? Well, let's check it out. So you've seen it during the day, so let's see how it looks like at night. And I'll tell you, it already feels different, even though it's exactly the same place. The colors, the neon lights, and all the people here, it definitely feels like a different place. But we're gonna walk through pretty much the same areas that we went through during the day, just different perspective, and yeah, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be interesting. So as you could probably tell right away, there's just a lot more people at night versus the day. But as far as I could tell, it just looks like a normal spot, you know. Restaurants open, people are eating, there's families here, but there's also people here who are hawking services, let's just say that, and you could tell who they are. They're just looking, and then they'll come talk to you. And then there's all these various clubs and stuff right here. Hostess clubs, massage parlors, you get the idea. It's kind of interesting that all of that is front and center among all the other touristy stuff as well. And so at least right now, I don't feel it's the red light district as some people purported to say. Not to say that that stuff isn't here, but it's not as seedy and creepy as some people might make it out to be. You know, it's not some underground thing. It's actually out here in the open. And there is Godzilla up there. Same spot as earlier. It just looks so much different. It's so colorful. So Shinjuku Toho building. So I'm gonna head over here. And earlier when I was here, I was propositioned multiple times to go for massages with happy endings. Maybe it's because I have my camera recording that they're not approaching, but I'm pretty sure they will approach. You see that over here? Wow. It is just, I'd say, overwhelming with all the lights. I mean, if you ever watch anything like Blade Runner, and then anime-wise, Akira a long time ago, you could definitely see where a lot of influences in terms of design came from. It is this right here. And here's a wider view of it. Right here. Wow. And then on the areas that are not as well lit, you know, just kind of be careful as always. I think even more so at night. And this area, I see a lot more of these hostesses, and then massage parlors. Right down there. But so far, nothing crazy at all. And I actually ate at this restaurant earlier. And more restaurants down here. And I think here's the same hostess club, now with a whole bunch of lights right here, with all the celebrities. I don't know if they're real or not. Maybe they're CG, I don't know. Check that out over there. And then over here, yeah, there's the robot hotel down here as well. And I wish I could read Japanese. It'd be a lot easier to understand. There it is, the robot restaurant. I might come check that out later. I don't really understand what's all here. Okay. That is the Shinjuku Kabukicho area at night, also known as the red light district here. But in terms of reality, I'm pretty sure it has that stuff, but overall this is just a really cool spot. A lot of people are here, families are here. There's a huge hotel right behind us at Toho Cinemas. And so it's not that seedy underground thing that some people make it out to be, although those elements are here. But overall, if you wanted to come enjoy this spot, I would come both the day and the night because it does have a lot to offer. And in terms of a visually stunning place, this is it. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments below, and I'll see you on another episode.